What's up, people? Today we're going to be checking out a video tripod from GVM right after this. Welcome back. If you're new to the channel, I'm Kedrick Foster. I do unboxings and reviews of all the latest tech. So if you like that type of content, hit that like and the subscribe button. So today we're going to be checking out this video tripod that the fine people at GVM sent me to check out. So we're going to go ahead and get it up on the table, see what comes in the package, and see what we got. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so we got this tripod from GVM. Comes in this nice traveling case with the GVM badging on front. Let's go ahead and see what we got in the bag. All right, so we have our thank you from GVM for all their social medias on the back. I'll have all that linked down in the description. Also, there's another compartment here on the side of the travel bag, which has your arm for your tilt. And then we have an instruction manual with some Allen keys. So set that to the side. Make sure there's nothing else in the bag. All right, so I'm gonna take the bag, set it over here to the side. And my first impressions of this tripod is definitely heavy duty. Has a nice weight to it, so I would feel really confident putting my expensive camera on this tripod. So let me go ahead and get the bag open. All right, so here you have the tripod. First thing I noticed is it had these adjustable feet, so you can have a lot easier time trying to get this balanced out or stable on certain grounds. And also it has these points at the bottom as well. So if you're in like in the grass and you want to sink this into the soil, you'll have a lot more stable footing on your tripod. All right, so you have several adjustments on here, so you can loosen these up, loosen it up on the bottom. And this is a different way of adjusting your tripod versus how most tripods are. And you see, you can just pull it up. I don't want to make it too big where it's going to come off the table, but you can see if you pull it up, this is pretty much how it extends. Matter of fact, let me go ahead and extend it all the way out. You extend it out, you turn the knobs to tighten it. Got that. Get the ones on this side, tighten them down. Get this one on this side, tighten them. And that's about, I'm gonna say at least about 5.5 feet right now, are fully extended. So let's see. Okay, so if you can see here, you have your adjustment, so you can tilt this and have it however you want it. Then when you're ready to go, just tighten it up right here on the bottom. It also has this level on it, so you can use that to get your level. Now let's see how this fluid head is. Okay, so it has a little bit of resistance to it. Make sure I have it loose. Okay, so if you want to pan with your camera, you have that there. Let me go ahead and throw the attachment on. So the motion on the fluid head is really smooth. So if you want to get those panning shots, nice and smooth. I like the way this works. So I have actually another tripod that has a fluid head, and it definitely does not work this well. Now, of course, it wasn't as expensive as this tripod, but you know what they say, you get what you pay for. So also, if you see here, they have a quick connect, which is vital. And I mean vital if you're out on a shoot. So you can already have this connected to your camera. And if you ever need to take your camera off, all you have to do is click the thing and slide it out. I'm actually going to get my other camera mounted up so you can see how that works. All right, so after struggling with that for a minute, this is how you actually attach the rail. So what you'll do is you put it in to one side, and slap it down, which is actually a lot simpler than most tripods. So I definitely like that mechanic. Now, as you can see, you could do your panning and tilting pretty fluidly. Now, if you want to stop it, you just turn this, tighten this dial, and it'll hold in place on however you have it. So, and of course, this is really, really sturdy. This is like aluminum, I'm assuming. Okay, so, and it's pretty weird. In an instruction, it says, do not exceed weight specified in the specifications, but I don't see the specifications anywhere in the package. So what I'll do is I'll look that up after I record this, and then I'll pop it up in the video right here. But I'm pretty confident if you have any type of DSLR or a mirrorless camera, you'll be more than fine. And I mean more than fine with this tripod. This is really sturdy, has a nice weight to it. Now, if you're looking for something that's portable, this probably is, it's portable, but if you can see the size of this bag, it's not the smallest tripod compared to my other tripod, which is about this size. But again, the fluid head on this compared to this is no comparison. This is like 10 times better as far as the fluid head. And when you're talking about video, that's what's most important, because you want to get those smooth cinematic shots with it. And this feels really good. Definitely like that. And then, like I said earlier, you can tilt it however you want with this adjustment on the bottom. All you have to do is turn the tighten. You can adjust your arm here with this slider. You can adjust this here, lock it in place. So that's pretty much it. I really like this. So if you have any other questions about this tripod, definitely drop them down in the comment section. I'll be sure to get to them. I want to thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace out.